What's up, gamers? Aaron Shack here with an interesting bit of camera equipment here. These are lens pouches made by Tycka, as you can see. These are water resistant and come in 4 sizes. And before you ask, you don't have to buy these individually. When I saw that the price for this product was $23.99, I was assuming like, oh, per bag? And I couldn't be more wrong in the best way, because actually you can get all 4 of these bags in all these sizes right here as seen on screen for $23.99. So let's dive in. What makes these unique and special? So I actually already put some of my lenses in these, and I'm gonna hold them up here so you can see in scale the various sizes that we're going to be able to accommodate, right? So we've got these 3, and then we got the Giga Chad, right? So if you've got a lot of lenses of various different sizes, and you don't want to just like pile them into a camera bag or a backpack or something like that, then, you know, if you just need 1 or 2 of these on the go and you just want to clip them to your belt or something, or clip them to the edge of your camera bag because you're out of space in your camera bag, then you can do that here. So once again, let's take a look at the smallest one. It's got a little pouch up here. You could put like SD cards or your camera lens or a charger cable, whatever you need, right? And in this one, I just squeezed in my 50 millimeter, which it's a pretty snug fit, and it's all cushioned. So even the bottom's cushioned, so even if you were to put it in without the lens cap, it would be safe. But I mean, please use lens caps, please. Okay, so this is actually my Pinhole Pro X 50 millimeter. I always keep my regular Nifty 50 on the camera itself, ready to shoot. And of course, these little bad boys zip right up, and then it's got like a nifty grip right here that's also plastic. I guess you could clip that to things, but it includes a clip right here. So you can clip that to a belt loop. You could clip it to any sort of loop or storage area that you might have on your camera bag or whatever it is you're wearing. You can make that work. But it also has this right here where you could potentially fit these onto your belt loop or something like that. You can attach in various ways. Whatever it is you need to do, if you need to use a bungee cord or some rope or something, you know, if you're climbing a mountain or something, you want to hang this from your rope so you can get photos as you're going. I don't know. Whatever it is you got to do, it seems like this will get the job done. And of course, these being water resistant means that, you know, you could probably like drop them in water. But I mean, if this thing sinks into the bottom of the ocean, you might want to rethink your camera lens storage options. All right. So yeah, a lot of choices here, and I'll go through them all as we're here. So this one right here actually happens to be the perfect depth for this lens that I have, which this is a, geez, I always forget this one. This is the 84 millimeter, I believe, that I have here. And it's a nifty little lens, and it fits perfectly. So once again, same features, just a bigger size, right? And then this one right here fits one of my bigger lenses, which is the 75 to 300 millimeter, and of course fits. It's cushioned. There's a little bit of space because, you know, this lens isn't particularly thick, but you can see that there's definitely, you know, room for thicker lenses of wider diameters. Now, I don't exactly have a lens that's quite this fat or long. I do have a 500 millimeter lens that would not fit in this because it's just too long, but it's also not this wide. But if you do have some of these Giga Chad lenses, then you can certainly go with that. And as you can see, it could fit almost my entire arm. All right, so I can really get in there and fist this thing. Anyway, it does have your lens cap thing, all the other things, all the other options, and the massive loop right there to fit it on your bag, your belt, wherever. So these are going to be very nifty because, and the reason why I purchased these is because I run into a lot of situations where, you know, I'm carrying my camera and maybe I have my bag with me, and sometimes I don't even want to carry my bag. I'll maybe just put an extra battery in my back pocket, and then I want to carry another lens, but like if I'm not wearing a jacket, I can't put it in the pocket, but then what if it falls out of my jacket pocket? So then, you know, you got to sort of think of like, you know, you got to like hope that you have a friend, can I put this in your purse or your backpack or whatever, and you just give it to me when I need it. It just presents a lot of extra problems. Whereas this right here, you know, you could just like hook this to your belt or something, or if you do happen to have a bag, you know, this is just extra exterior storage that you don't have to use have your lenses taking up precious space inside your bag, but of course they're still gonna weigh you down, so you do have to consider that. But there's a lot of cases where I'm just like, I wish I could just grab my camera and have maybe an extra lens or two, and then just clip them on my belt and use them as needed. And then you could just unzip them, pull out the lens. You know, it's basically like having a gun holster on your hip, but using it for lenses. So once again, I gotta say, I think this company has done a great job. They've knocked this one out of the park. It's high quality, practical designs, a decent compatibility for lenses. You know, I was able to fit 3 out of 4 here, and I feel like someday I'll be able to put something in this bag here. But for now, maybe I could just use it. You know, I could throw in like small tripod or little accessories or batteries or whatever. I could find a way to fill this up with devices that I could need on the go and take that out if I needed to. So once again, this is by Tycka, and I'll have links in the description down below. But $23.99 being extremely competitive price point and highly versatile, and I was pleasantly surprised that it wasn't just 23 for just one, and you just select which one you want, because I was going to end up spending $40, $60, $80 or something, whereas here it's 4 of these bags for the price, and they give you 1 of each size in the box. So I mean, you're ready to go with this, and the value to me is just it's saved me, and it's made those light gigs where I'm not carrying my backpack and all, or any other bags and other stuff, where I just want to casually walk about and not be super conspicuous with all this equipment on me. I just want to have an extra lens. Nifty, useful, and highly capable in most situations that I'm in. So once again, if you found this video helpful or informative, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below if you find these devices useful, if you've decided to purchase them. Absolutely. Any questions or concerns you may have, I'll try to answer them. And don't forget to ring that notification bell and subscribe to the channel for more content. Take care, be safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.